you will learn how to read words with R controlled vowels. When vowel A comes before R, then it will give you sound R. A R R. C A R T, cart. P A R K, park. When vowel O comes before letter R, then it will give you sound or. F O R K, fork. P O R T, port. When vowel I comes before letter R, then it will give you sound R. SWIRL, swirl. GIRL, girl. It will give you sound. Then when vowel E comes before letter R, then it will give you sound TEACHER, teacher. It will give you sound. DANCER, dancer. When vowel U comes before letter R, it will give you sound turn. TURN, turn. CURL, curl. It will give you sound. Sound. When vowel AI comes before letter R, then it will give you sound air. HAIR, hair. CHAIR, chair. When vowels EA comes before letter R, then it will give you sound ear. HEAR, hear. GEAR, gear. It will give you ear sound. AR gives you R sound. OR gives you OR sound. IR gives you sound. ER gives you sound. UR give you sound. AIR gives you air sound. EAR gives you ear sound. Now you can read many more other words in which R controlled vowels are used. Thank you.